Have you ever wondered why your videos are not getting the right engagement it should get, regardless of the information and the investment you've done in the videos? Only if you know that the reason is because you are not posting the right way. In this video, I'm going to be putting you through on how to properly post videos. It's not just about you making a video. There are still some other steps you need to take after you've made your video and you plan to post it on YouTube. I am going to be holding your hands and explaining to you the proper way to post on YouTube. So if you are interested in something like this, please stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment, and let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okulola Hannah, and I am going to be teaching you how to properly post on YouTube. There's a lot of people that do not know that it is not just about creating content. You will need some certain things to post properly on YouTube. And in this video, I am going to be putting you through on how to properly post on YouTube to get the right engagement and also for YouTube algorithm to be able to push you well. Without further ado, let's get started. So unlike you posting your video content through your YouTube app, we are going to be clicking on the Google Chrome, and from there we are going to be accessing our studio app from there. So now type studio.youtube.com, and when I click on the link, it will link me straight into my YouTube dashboard. And on this top right corner here, you will zoom it in like so, and you will click on the create icon. Then these options will pop out. So when you study this option well, you'll be able to know which option you need to click whenever you want to post your content on YouTube. So I'll click on upload videos, then I'll also click on select files, which will now link me into my phone gallery where I'll be able to pick the video I would love to upload. So I'll wait for it to load and it will direct me into this place. So on this specific dashboard, I'll be showing you the proper way to upload your content. So the first thing you have to do is to add the title you have in mind for the video. Then also your description should have been ready because this helps to describe what the video is all about. I also have a video that explains the importance of these timestamps and chapters. So after that, you will see this thumbnail option. So we have the upload file, the auto-generated, and the text and compare. Auto-generated is the one that picks from your video to just pick a reaction from the video. While upload file is that thumbnail which you have edited by yourself. Though this one works mostly, but most of it works for different purposes. So you try to know the one you want. So when you are not satisfied, you click on these three dots at the side and to bring out this option. So you can even auto-generate from the video in case if you do not like your thumbnail, or you should do test and compare. Test and compare is where you have like three kinds of thumbnail. You will post it and YouTube by itself will rotate the thumbnail to know the one that is really boosting your YouTube algorithm. Then the next is the playlist option. As a YouTuber, your videos must be well organized and it must have a playlist so it will be easy for your viewers to easily search and access. Now you will determine your kind of audience, whether it is made for kids or not. I'm still scrolling up in case you are looking like where is all this coming from. I'm just scrolling down. So now if your video was generated from someone else's content, this is the option to click on if it's yes or no. If your video is naturally your idea, it is just no, you click on no. But if it was from other people's content, you can click on yes to be safe. So if you included chapters and timestamps on your description box, naturally this place will be ticked. So this way to make your videos to be easy to access for your viewers. Then here is the option whereby you can tag other YouTubers so that they can see your content. Or maybe there's a big YouTuber you really wish to so that he can see your content. You will type the name of the person there. This language and caption certification option helps you to click on the language you will love so that whenever you make a caption or a subtitle, that is what will be showing. So I chose English. Then this recording date will help you to like post the day you recorded your video and the day you posted it, something like that, so that people can easily search you through the dates. Then the next option when you scroll up is the short remixing. It's best you click on allow video and audio remixing so that when you want to convert that your video into a short, it won't be hard for you. Then the next thing is category. This will help you to know the category this specific video that you're trying to upload falls into. Then turn on your comments also so you can see your comments. Then also this part will help you to show how many viewers like your video. So you can see that everything is still under uploading of video. videos, it will never be on your YouTube app. So the next thing is for monetization. If your YouTube channel is not monetized yet, you won't be able to see this option, but it doesn't mean you'll be monetized someday. Then the next option is add suitability. All this is all around the monetization, I think. So the next option is to review. If your content does not have anything maybe shocking, derogatory, anything sha, if it has, it's not an issue, you just click on it, you study the English there and you click on the one that is there. Then this check is like an option for YouTube to be able to check if your content is okay. So this way you won't, after all the stress you've tried in editing video, you'll be getting copyright because you would have done the thorough screening. Now, the next option is for you to add video elements. Maybe at the end of your video, you want people to watch another video that you are suggesting to them. You click on add an end screen. Add subtitle is if you love to type subtitles to it. Then add card is maybe as you are explaining your videos, there are some video you are suggesting, you add it in between the videos. If you want me to teach you how to add end screens and cards, let me know in the comment section. Then after you've clicked on that, it will take some few minutes for it to check if there is nothing wrong with your content. So this way you'll be free from anything copyright related. Then after that, you'll be able to determine your viewers, maybe just only you, or people you choose, or unlisted, anybody can watch it, or members only, that is people that have paid for you, as the people after you've been monetized, or the public, that's everybody. So you choose your kind of viewers. And after you've clicked on the kind of viewers you want, you can also determine the time you will love your video to be uploaded, whether it is in an hour time or in the next day, or maybe depending on the algorithm that your YouTube viewers are always online. So that thing make it very easy for you. And after that, you click on save option. So just like that, it is very easy to post. And this way you'll be free from any copyrighted related thing because you've done your due diligence. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something new. These are tested and trusted things. These are things I have practiced and I saw a difference in it. So when you give it a try, this should be able to help to build your YouTube channel. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when I make educational videos like this. And also, do not forget to like, comment, and share to your loved ones so they can benefit from this knowledge. So see you in my next one. Keep doing good. Keep being positive. Keep winning. Bye. Love you. Mwah.